Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, today we'll try to understand what is soil conservation. How is soil conserved? What are different practices and methods employed to conserve the soil? Soil conservation, it means maintaining good health and maintaining good soil health. That means that preventing the soil erosion, preventing the loss of the top layer of the soil, and overusage of the soil and its reduced fertility due to overusage, acidification, salinization, and different chemical processes. So when we say soil conservation, we have the two aims, two main aims to look at. Number first is to maintain the top fertile layer of the soil, and number second to maintain the pH, acidity, alkalinity, and different chemical processes of the soil, so that various organisms and chemical processes can survive and happen in the soil. And some of the man soil measure preventing and conserving practices are: number first is the simplest and cost effective method is planting vegetation. It's one of the easiest, most effective, and doesn't need much utilization of resources. In this method, we plant trees and grass. This planting of trees, they stabilize the properties of soil, and trees and grass, they act as wind barriers and prevent the soil from being blown away by the wind. Number second is maintaining the soil pH. pH is either acidity or alkalinity of the soil. We can measure it by measuring the pH levels of the soil. The pH the pH levels of the soil gets affected by the use of various chemicals, by various pollutions or overuse of chemicals and pesticides. So this involves maintaining the optimum pH for the growth of plants. Number third is crop rotation practice. As you know, the crop rotation is a method where the different crops are grown alternately in the same soil. Is the cultivation of the different crops, two different crops alternately. It is done to prevent accumulation of pathogens which occurs if the same plants are grown in the soil, and also helps in the replenishment of the nutrients of the soil. Next is terracing. Terracing is the best soil conservation method where cultivation is done in terrace level sections of land. Next one is keeping the soil covered. Grasses are the act as the firm protectors of soil than the trees. If you grow the grass on the soil, they protect the soil from soil erosion. And river embankments, by making river embankments, soil erosion can be reduced along the banks of the rivers.